Welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we will mix 14 different colors for life-size cartoon character statue. If you are new to our channel, please do click the subscribe button to keep updated on our paint mixing tutorial videos. Thank you. Auto acrylic mix. Half-gallon bright red auto acrylic mix. Half-gallon bright yellow auto acrylic mix. Liter mahogany auto acrylic mix. Half-gallon pink auto acrylic mix. Half-gallon blue denim auto acrylic mix. Aqua blue auto acrylic mix. Liters violet auto acrylic mix. Half-gallon lilac auto acrylic mix. Half-gallon gray auto acrylic mix. Liter fuchsia pink auto acrylic mix. Liter sunkiss auto acrylic mix. And 1